Okay. So as you can see, what I was talking about yesterday played out to the T on Nasdaq. Yesterday I said that price had came down and made lows, and then I had saw that price was starting to make higher highs. Price came back down and made a support right here, and then oops, goodness, price came down, made a support right here, and the target was super simple. That's my short position. I need my long. It's super simple. Once price comes above here, this is annoying me. Once price comes above this level, you can easily target the highs. This could have been the high that you've targeted. This could have been the high that you've targeted. This could have been the high that you targeted, because overall price is looking to make that higher time frame correction. So everything that I said was going to happen has happened. Now, where price chooses to go up here, as long as it doesn't surpass this up here, will be fine. Because if price surpasses this resistance that was made and makes a support, then we're going to keep trading upwards. But if price finds an area over here and doesn't continue breaking past that resistance, then price is going to come and make another lower low on the daily. Ooh, gosh, what was that? So you really have to consider the higher time frames when it comes to trading. And then you have to do things that make sense. So these were the highs that you should have targeted, because you don't know, especially in New York session, how far it's necessarily going to go. On a lower time frame, price still needs to do something like this to reach that area and then trade lower. So this is a lower time frame move into a higher time frame move. So if you have great risk management, you could have made some good money here. Solana coin is doing well. It's still making lower lows. So you can anticipate for it to make higher lows and continue pushing down to this level. This is my target, and I'm already in Solana coin, even though it hasn't surpassed this level that I have marked up here. I got in around like here somewhere. So just keep looking for higher highs and higher lows. I'm sorry, lower highs and lower lows to the downside. And then this could be your target. But overall, you knew that Solana coin was going to be retraced based off of the US market. So let's look at the DXY. So yeah, dollar is trading upwards pretty well. Wow. Great price action on the dollar. So why? But internal structure versus the external structure, you should be able to capture a move, not every single day, but maybe twice, 3 times a week, especially when it comes to news trading and NFP, all that good jazz. It's super simple trading with ICC. I missed the move on EU. I'm actually extremely disappointed in myself. So I think I mentioned yesterday, EU is going to sell off to here. Here's the target on EU. And I wanted to hop in around this area because that was daily structure from yesterday. However, I just missed it. I don't even know what I was doing, but I saw EU came up to grab some more money. It had back down, and then it had a indecision candle kind of, and then it sold off. So I missed the move. I wasn't able to hop in. Now, if EU decides to come in this area, then I'll look to sell, but I like to sell as high as possible. I don't like to sell as low as possible. So that's going to be my entry for EU. Gold looks like it's getting ready to make a move. Let me check the 4-hour. Yeah, so these are my targets for the correction for gold. Drag this out. And we're looking pretty good. So let me scale down to the 1-hour and see. I'm going to need to see structure being broken on gold before I think I just like enter blindly. I mean, I need to see some lows taken out. There's a previous resistance here. That's when I can feel more confident selling gold. Well, I guess for the 30-minute I can move it higher. Yeah. Let's see here. I want to get as many touches as possible. So yeah, I'll do this for gold for looking for entries and stuff like that. I don't want to move myself over so you guys can see. I don't want to sell or buy too high. Okay. Do I want to take the risk on gold? Sell here, short position. Sell here, put some highs above here for the sell-off. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I need structure to make sense. And just because this hourly candle is bearish doesn't necessarily mean anything. So yeah, that's where I am. I'm in Solana coin. EU, I'm looking for an entry here. If it doesn't happen, then it doesn't happen. I don't think it will. Extremely disappointing on that. Yeah, already did NAS. We're gonna pray about gold. BTC, very surprising. There was a correction move right here, and now it's selling back off, so missed that. XRP, wow, beautiful structure on XRP. So I'm just praying that Solana coin does the same thing. And then honestly, I'm done with oil for a while. I lost like $2,000 on oil the other day, so not fun. Solana coin's doing me well. We'll stay with Solana coin, and then we're about to see what's up with gold. So I love you guys. I'll try to do these as often as I can just so that you guys can keep up with the movement. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.